Hello guys, welcome to my new video, and in this video I will discuss about a new project, and the name of this project is Rangers Protocol, and this is the landing page of Rangers Protocol, and the website URL is rangersprotocol.com. And at first we should know what is Rangers Protocol, and it is virtual world's blockchain and infrastructure, and Rangers protocol can realize a high performance blockchain growth with cross-chain contract interoperability among the EVM systems of multiple blockchain, and it is backed by the Pantera 7x Ventures, and here is the partners, and you can say there are features on Rangers protocol, and the remarkable features are high security. Here is the high security, bridging, consensus, and here is the NFT protocols, real-time response, developer friendly. So you can read more about their features in details if you read their documentary about every features. After that, you can say that all the partners, they are the partnership on the Rangers protocol, and all the pact, and here is the all the developers. Here is the developers, and a crystal clear roadmap of Rangers protocol. Here you can see their Rangers engine tech on the milestone target key features, and here is the 2021 quarter 2 about the milestone target key features, and at the last 2021 and quarter 3. And if you want to know more about their roadmap, you can click on there to find out more. And here is their team details. We can see the team details about co-founder, Jared co-founder, Mary co-founder, and is the Nicholas video head, and is the Elena marketing head. So if you want to know about their features, we can read their features in details about high security. Let's talk about this. And Ranger protocol uses a consensus system based on the relay chain and a smart contract that verifies multiple signatures deployed on the public chain to ensure users asset security. So they are working on the high security phase. And here is the bridging. Ranger protocol integrates the cross-chain solution based on the relay chain to solve the problem of asset migrations. Ranger protocol adapts a consensus system based on the relay chain and the smart contract that verifies multiple signatures deployed on the public chain to ensure security of users' assets. And here is the consensus. You can say Ranger protocol integrates an efficient BRP and VLS consensus mechanism to solve the problem of high frequency trading. Ranger protocol produces a block every second. It minimizes the possibility of network congestion and reduce access cost. And here is the NFT protocol. Ranger protocol incorporates protocols such as ERC and 721 to standardize NFT for digital assets, and the protocol further extends its features including lifecycle management, a new data structure supporting data rescues, and data rights management. And here is the real-time response. Ranger protocol integrates real-time configuration of transaction to solve integrity problems. Ranger protocol can return the real-time executions to the most transaction without user having to wait for the block to generate. And here is the developer friendly Ranger protocol support the barrier free access and free switching of Ethereum devs, and it maximizes developer efficiency and complex application through IDE enhancement. So it is one of the best project at this time, and if you want to get more update about the project, you can join their Telegram and their social media on their social media handle for getting more update. And it's on the CoinGecko already, you can track it on CoinGecko. So I hope it will be a best project for upcoming days, so it will be highly recommended project to invest on it. If you have a good amount of money, you can invest on Ranger protocol. I hope you will be benefited surely. So no more today, that's all for this time. So I hope you will invest on Ranger protocol. So stay connected with Ranger protocols. Till then, take care.